I'd be lying if I say you weren't someone I'm into.
Okay, so I'll then be going in with the Too Faced Hangover primer, and I'll just be priming my face. Next up, I'll be using the Wet n Wild concealer, and I'll be using that as a primer for my eyelids before I put on any eyeshadow. And I'll be using my finger to spread the product evenly across my eyelids. Now, using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'll be using that over the concealer on my eyelids. Then I'll be going in with the shade Cocoa from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'll be using that color as my transitional color on both eyelids.
I don't know what's wrong with expressing how I feel. You don't know what's wrong, especially how I feel. You said you wanna take me away, said you wanna take me away,
Going back with the same Huda Beauty palette, I'll be going with the color a Black Truffle, and then I'll be using that color on my outer corners of my eyes and blending it with the transitional color that I had just recently used. Next up, I'm going in with, it's more of a purple, shimmery purple shade. I don't know what brand this is. I bought this at a drugstore, and I'll be using that right over the black eyeshadow that I had just used, and I'll be spreading that evenly across my eyes on both eyelids. And with that same palette, I'll then be going with more of a blue. I don't know if it's light blue or dark blue, but it's a blue shade, and I'll just be using a little bit of that on my crease. I won't be taking it all the way towards my outer eye. I'll just be putting it right in the middle is where I'll stop. Next up, I'll be using a bronzing shade, and this is a brown shade, and I'll just be putting that right over the blue shade that I've used and mixing it within the purple shimmery shade. In my inner eye corners, I'll then be going in with the NYX pigment color, and I'll be putting that in my inner corner of my eyes. I already put my eyeliner off camera. So for foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty in the shade 340, and I'll just be spreading that evenly across my face, and I'll be using my foundation brush.
I don't know what's wrong with expressing how I feel. You don't know what's wrong, especially how I feel. You said you wanna take me away, said you wanna take me away, No, you're the reason that I'm singing this song to the early morning. No, we find you. Go Miami, hey, go Miami. Nowhere tomorrow we go, shy, we find you. Go Miami, hey, go Miami. Let go my baby.
Okay, so for concealer, I'm not using concealer to highlight. I'll then be going in using the Sleek Beauty foundation, and then I'll just be using my beauty blender to spread that evenly across my face. I don't want to give myself more of a very thick, dense use of concealer, hence I'm using this foundation. It's very lightweight, and you'd barely even feel that you're wearing anything on your face.
They say you like you all, yeah. I get you all up, baby, pana. Anywhere
going in with banana powder, and this is from the NK Cosmetics beauty range, and I'll be using the shade banana, and I'll just be putting that over the setting powder over the concealer that I just put over my face, the foundation actually.
Hello, it's me again. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'd be lying if I say you weren't someone that I'm into. And don't be stunning in front of your friends, you know I'm not into that. Don't need to hide, don't even try. You could be mine, oh, you could be mine. Oh, you see you won't take.
So for this particular look, I'm not using a compact powder for my contour. I'm using a cream, and I'll just be spreading the cream across evenly across my face. As you guys can see, I'm not going in too deep with the contour. I'm just putting in a bit of a shade to my face. So to bring the entire look together, I'll be using my L'Oreal Color Stay powder. Not really sure what shade number this is because the shade number is actually being crossed out. I've had this for a while, and I'll just be putting this over my contour that I had just used and spreading it evenly across my face over the banana powder that I had just used as well.
No, you're the reason that I'm singing this song to the early morning. We find you.
So for the lips, I'm just using a regular brown pencil liner, and I'll just be lining my lips. For lipstick, I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this is in the shade Cuffed. I'm not going to be using too much of it, just placing it in the middle. And then I'll be going with my MAC lip glaze in the shade Boy Bait, and I'll just be putting that all over across my lips. We're not going for a matte look, we're going for a glossy with a matte kind of eyeshadow going on. Okay, so now we've finally, we have finally put on some setting spray, and I'll be going with my NYX pigment powder as a highlight. I'll be putting that evenly across my face, highlighting the highest point of my cheekbones, highlighting my forehead and my nose, and obviously under my chin as well, giving myself the little Rudolph reindeer effect. It is a holiday look after all. Okay, so there we have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday and a happy, prosperous new year. Till next year, guys. Bye.
Oh no, no. Oh, friend me who cause him never better fix your sins. I can't count on you. Then she said, he said, Mr. Woman, charming. Really wanna change, so count on me. Baby, I'll explain, so facciami. Mr. Woman, charming. Really wanna change, so count on me. Baby, I'll explain, so facciami.